We get a lot of samples here at Good eReader. More so than we know what to do with. At the end of each video, we'll give the item away. This is Unboxing ePaper. We are back, everyone. Sorry, I must apologize. It's been a while since we've done one of these, but something very interesting went across the desk. If you notice, Michael in the news publication and his team reported that Amazon left China for the Kindle and all of that fun stuff. Well, they actually reached out to us and sent us a Kindle. Hit me with it. Oh, did you drop it? You fumbled it. Well, I'll pick it up. This is the Amazon Kindle, but it is a Chinese version. This is really rare because we have absolutely no idea what this holds. We have only seen a couple Chinese Kindles in the past that are exclusive, like the 558, and of course the Kindle X Migu. We have no idea. This is absolutely sealed, and very much thank you to Amazon.cn and Amazon China for sending us one. Probably just a bunch of leftover stock that they sent our way, but either way, much appreciated. But to really figure this out, we gotta head over to the desk because I've never cracked open a Kindle China before that wasn't a Migu, so let's go. This is legitimately so exciting, guys. This is so cool. It's very cool to see regional devices, regional versions, you know what I mean? Because they make a Kindle everywhere in the world, but they also make them in different countries. And they make certain things like iFlyTech is only in China, but you know what to expect. I have no idea what to expect, seriously. Okay, well, everything is in English so far, and that says Kindle, and that says power on at the very top. So they didn't prioritize the Chinese language. Okay, well, let's just keep diving on in a little bit more. USB micro, of course, yep. And let's see what this holds in store. Yeah, okay, perfect. Chinese only. That's really cool. All right, now what? Oh, and they reference Amazon.com for things, not Amazon.cn, which is the outlet that actually sent this to us. So that's very interesting. So what do we have in here? What do we have when we turn it on? This is so interesting. This is really nerdy, interesting stuff for us. Okay, that's really weird because there's scuffs on it, but it was factory sealed. That's weird. There's like actual dust scuffs. Huh. Okay, let's turn this on. You know, this actually looks fairly dated. This is like 2016 kind of thing. Yeah, this is a really old model. I wonder what they're doing sending this to us. Still says the same things on the back, assembled in China and Amazon Luxembourg. No, I never really understood why they did that. They always wrote Amazon Luxembourg on the back, even though I know they have operations in various different countries. But yeah, it was always interesting that they did that. This actually isn't turning on, so I wonder if one, we got a dud, or two, it's just out of batteries. So let's charge it up. Okay, yeah, it was just out of batteries. So turning it on for the first time, it's a little bit just business as usual. So we'll choose English USA, obviously, because, well, we speak English here, and we'll let it kind of just start up. Man, I really hope there's going to be something like region specific about this. I don't expect the dual boot Migu operating system because that's what the Migu had and not this one, but I hope there's something here. Alright, so far not so good / interesting. All it says is Peter's 8th Kindle, and there's nothing really local market about it. But let's just look around just for a couple minutes before we give it our final thoughts. You do have Kindle Free Time, Goodreads, Audible Store. Do we have Bluetooth on here? I wonder. We do have a Bluetooth setting. And that's interesting because Kindles you buy in Japan do not have a Bluetooth setting if used in Japan, because they don't have the Audible Store here for that certain function. Let's look at all settings and see what we have here. Let's go to device options. So we have advanced, we have device info. Come on, give me something here. Give me something local flavor. We have Goodreads up top. I already mentioned that. We have, oh, that's a settings wheel. I thought that was a glow light. Is there no glow light on this one? I don't think there's a glow light on this one. What is this? This is a 2016 for sure. Yeah, this is much older. Oh, let's look at the storage. Can we have device storage here somewhere? I just went there. Let's look at device info. Oh yeah, 2.76 gigs. That is very low. And what's new? We have some in-book clock and January 2018 last update. Yeah, so this is an old fogey. Unfortunately, everyone, it doesn't look like there's actually anything. What about the store? Let's look at the store. It's updating. Should take less than a minute. Bear with us. Come on. Come on, Chinese store. Nope, Amazon.com. Okay, we have the Amazon.com store, which is weird because even if we use American Kindles in Japan or Japanese Kindles in Japan, they both connect to the Amazon Japan store. This one doesn't. So that's kind of interesting. That's really interesting, actually, because it should be connecting to the Japanese store, but it's not. These are all like American books, English books. Okay, so that's kind of new. I guess the Chinese version only connects to the Amazon.com store. I can't say for certain, but that is what it is looking like here, because that doesn't make any sense. You know what? It doesn't seem like there's anything specific about this, guys. I'm terribly sorry about that. But it's still fun, and this was a fun adventure, and it was very interesting to kind of figure out. And thank you very much again to Amazon.cn who sent this to us. And this is going to be given away to you guys. So let's go into the final score, tally it up, and see what we can see. As for the looks, unfortunately, the Amazon Kindle is one of the most basic looking e-readers in the entire world, as it's just a flat black candy bar slab with literally no stylistic properties at all, so it gets a 3 out of 5. For what it is, an e-reader, it's a Kindle. It's the most popular, well-known, and recognizable brand in e-readers with the most developed ecosystem, UI, and stability, so there's no question that it gets a 5 out of 5. The cost is quite impossible to figure out, as 1, this is an older device, and 2, the Chinese marketplace renminbi price seems to vary pretty drastically between $70 and all the way up to $400 USD equivalent, so it gets a 3 out of 5. Unfortunately, I'm also going to take the executive decision to deduct a point. Outside of having exclusive access to Amazon.com bookstore and not allowing any other regional one, there is nothing that makes this a Chinese Kindle or has any sort of local flavor or exclusivity outside of the box art. As always, really thank you guys so much for making this a moderate success and grabbing some free stuff in the process. As always, the first 50 comments on this video will be in the running for the Amazon. If you don't want to be in the running, simply just say, I don't want to be entered, but thanks for the whatever, this, that, and the other thing, here's my comment, etc. Thank you guys so much. Seriously, it takes a lot of people to get this going, a lot of moving parts, and more actual staff members than a lot of our videos, so it is very much appreciated from the bottom of our socks. If you guys have any other questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down below. For now, thank you very much for joining another amazing and invigorating episode of Unboxing ePaper. Till the next one, everybody.